Hi folks, thanks for tuning into Pepper and Salt Tech Tips. Today we're going to show you how to find that nice little safety backup camera that's located on your nice Kia Sorento. We are currently in a 2018 Kia Sorento V6 all-wheel drive, which does mighty fine out here when you've seen the snow. Does very good. We've been extremely happy with that. But we're going to take you outside and we're going to show you to look where this camera is located, because there will be times that you'll have to actually go out there and maybe get your little finger and clean her off. So let's go outside and find it. Here we are. It's Maine. It's obviously cold. So I'm going to show you where the backup camera is. There's also 4 sensors on the back that also alert you when there's vehicles coming from your right or your left when you're backing up. So it'll help you out and keep you nice and safe. So our camera is located right down here. Normally we'd have a license plate there, but then you would know what our license plate number was, wouldn't you? That's not going to happen. However, here's the camera, and you can right here, you can just clean that nice little camera off there, and when you clean it off, your image inside your screen on the inside will look nice and pretty. I'm going to show you those 4 sensors. We have a sensor located right here, here, and here. And those sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. So we're going to get inside. Thank you for tuning in to Pepper and Salt Tech Tips. Please like and subscribe down below. See you soon.